Do you have any products for females who wear boxers? For folks who wear boxers, wingless pads we made. Hips Wow. We call them Wow without wings. Hips Wow. Exactly the same absorbency sizes as our Hips products. Hips Active, 10 inches long with wings, without wings. For people who wear non-traditional underwear, which are not the bikini cut underwear most women usually wear. If you wear boxers, but the boxers have to be fitting boxers. They can't be loose boxer shorts. Of course, if it's loose, it's gonna fall out. It sticks, but it is not magical. You can slip it in your underwear. Because it doesn't have any wings, you don't have to worry. It will stick inside your underwear. You can make any underwear waterproof as long as it is form-fitting. As long as your underwear is form-fitting, you can use our Hips. The Hips Wow made on request of people who wear non-traditional underwear. We have a lot of trans men who use our products. They requested this product. It's going to be useful for a lot of other people who do not wear any traditional underwear. Super discreet. It's extremely thin. 6 layers of absorbency. How does it feel against the skin? People who have sensitivities to touch, to materials, autistic folks have told us it is the softest, most comfortable underwear they have ever worn. Touches your skin, touches your vulva. I used to always say vagina when I was talking about our menstrual product. Somebody corrected me rightfully. It should be called a vulva. People have corrected me so many times. The way I say vulva, it sounds, it has a W. I can't say vulva properly. Super soft material. The material was used for a diaper as a diaper liner. Then we use it on a breast pad. Then we put it on our menstrual pads. Is now all incontinence products. You can dry them, can still be machine washed. We do not make any products you cannot put in the washer or dry. I assume the day we stop making our products washer dryer safe, there will be a riot outside my home. I'll have to go in, calm the crowd. They will never come.